This RTX 5090 build will make your current gaming rig look ancient. We're talking about a no-compromise, flagship build that pushes every boundary. Watch as we drop the AMD Ryzen 9950X 3D into this ASUS ROG Crosshair X870E Hero motherboard. That satisfying click means we're dealing with serious processing power. Next up, these G.SKILL DDR5 RGB sticks slide into place, and those neon lights immediately tell you this isn't your average build. But here's where things get insane. This massive ZOTAC RTX5090 AMP EXTREME is an absolute unit. Look at it. Slide into that PCIe slot. ARGB lights pulsing like a heartbeat. This card alone costs more than most people's entire builds. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 360mm cooler fires up, those fans spinning to keep our beast cool under pressure. And there it is, housed in the ASUS ROG Hyperion GR701, glowing like something from the future. Paired with that crisp ASUS 2 7-inch monitor and coconut RGB mouse. This setup doesn't just play games, it dominates them. This is what peak performance looks like.